Today we're going to be doing a video on how to correctly lock your slide back. Extremely simple to do, but sometimes people struggle with it. So we're just going to go ahead and go over it. This is a P365. A lot of guns are very similar. It's in the semi-auto category, but essentially what you want to do, and this is kind of took me for a shot because I thought when you slide locked, it would just basically like lock automatically. You pull it all the way back and then it'll lock. But let's make sure we're clear. Clear, nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine mag well. When you're pulling your slide back, it's essentially two actions. You pull your slide, so I'm gonna do it with I'm right-handed, but I'm gonna do it left-handed, just for illustration. You pull your slide back, and as you're pulling it back, you're raising this lever. You're pulling your slide back, and then you're pushing up this lever. So this lever is gonna have a certain part where essentially you're gonna press this up. You're gonna press but hold it up until it locks. I know it locks because it doesn't move. Doesn't move. So then what you can do after that is if you want to release the slide lock, you could press this button or you could rack the slide back. So you could hit the slide release. That releases the slide. Or we'll lock it again for your illustration. All you gotta do is just pull the slide back and let it go. Like, essentially, that is it. That is it. Very simple, very straightforward, not too hard. Only thing is you know, when you first get your firearm, it's gonna be kind of tough and really weird for you to use it. You're gonna practice with your firearm, of course. You're gonna get used to it. But like I said before, when you're pulling a slide back, and I'm still using my right hand, but my left hand for illustration. This is just all illustration. You pull a slide back, and then you're pushing this up simultaneously until you feel it like go through a groove. It's gonna hit like a little groove, and then it's gonna lock it. And then if you want to release the slide, you can release with the slide lock, or you can release by racking the slide. And here's one of the things you gotta understand as well is if you'll know you're doing it wrong or right based on this. Let's just say you're doing it wrong and you holding it, but you're not holding it until it locks back. It'll just go forward again. So you'll know, okay, I gotta keep doing this until it locks, and then there it is. That's all you gotta worry about. That's how to properly lock your slide back. Hope this was helpful. I know it's very simple and fundamental, but at the same time, these are little things that we're learning together through our journey and protecting ourselves. Enjoy your firearm responsibly.